Hey, it's Handsome Hootie here, and I've got something for you. Version 2, just for you. At the start of 2018, we funded our first Kickstarter campaign. Since then, we've shipped out a lot of lens caps. Got some nice badges from cool websites, and photographers from around the globe just love it. Because of this, we set out to design a more universal lens cap for every photographer on any shoot. From fantastic feedback and patiently prototyping, did it work? We're stoked to introduce not one, but 2 new members to the Covered Gang. Meet Micro and Magnum. Tons of time was put into improvements and new features. So let's dive in and get right to it. First, for both sizes, we widened the columns, added some height to the rim, and gave the flat top a facelift, literally. Because of this, we increased the stretchability by 25%. Yeah, 25 big ones. Second, we made these bad boys machine washable and temperature proof, all the way up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. That way, you can still bake brownies or freeze a nice popsicle as an afternoon treat. Third, we made the X white and widened it, allowing you to customize and color the X to help you distinguish your lenses. Of course, as the original version, Micro and Magnum can still be used as front and rear lens caps, be stacked for added protection. They cover lens hoods, ND filters, flashes, and drones, and can even be combined with a traditional cap, creating what I like to call the super cap. Fourth, we developed a higher grade, more durable silicone, all without compromising ductility or elasticity. Finally, we've double coated each lens cap with our silicone dioxide spray, meaning less lint and dust. Now you can wash it with soap and water, making it look nice, neat, and new. Ooh! So with all these new and awesome features, what's the difference between Micro and Magnum? I'm glad I asked for you. On the Micro, we started its diameter at 54 millimeters and find that it can easily stretch up to 76 millimeters. In a nutshell, the Micro fits all smaller rangefinder lenses, Micro Four Thirds, SLR, and vintage lenses. On the Magnum, we started at 72 millimeters and easily stretch it to 122 millimeters. The Magnum fits most DSLR and mirrorless camera lenses, all cine lenses, and super big lenses, commonly used for sports, wildlife, and astrology. We've already begun production, and like our first campaign, many of our backers will be able to receive their orders just weeks after the campaign ends. Right in time for Christmas.
We're dang proud of Micro and Magnum, and are so confident that if you don't love them, just send it back for a full refund. No questions asked.
And with our lifetime replacement warranty, regardless of where your adventure takes you, or what kind of situations you're in, we've got you covered. We began here, and we hope to continue here. Back us today, because with us, your camera gear is covered. With love, Handsome Hootie, and Covered.
In this video, we will show you how to configure your PowerShot ELPH camera to connect with Canon Image Gateway, social networks, and email. This video only applies to Canon cameras equipped with a wireless function. Before you connect to Canon Image Gateway, you need to install the software included in the box onto your PC or Mac, which will allow you to share your PowerShot ELPH images and movies. If you haven't yet created a Canon account, please do so now. You will also need to register your camera. Registering your camera within a Canon account is required to provide you with access to Canon Image Gateway. Now connect your camera to your PC or Mac and press the playback button. On some PCs, if the Select a Program to Launch request box appears, choose the Canon Camera Window option. If not, locate and launch the newly installed Camera Window application. Using Canon Camera Window, you can configure your camera to send movies directly to YouTube, or link to them using Canon Image Gateway straight from your camera. On the main menu, you will see Camera Settings. Click on Camera Settings, set up web services, and log into your online Canon Image Gateway account. If you don't have a Canon Image Gateway account, you have the opportunity to create a new Canon account here, which takes you to the registration webpage. Use this option to create a new account. Let's log in. Here, you are presented with two list boxes. Web Services will list your configured services, and Camera will list which of those services you wish to enable on your connected camera. Let's look at configuring your web services. Clicking this icon here connects you to your Canon Image Gateway settings. You can configure various web services, including Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and email. Let's look at Facebook. By clicking the To Facebook button, you can enter your information and log in. You can also enter comments and basic restrictions. When you are finished, click Set, and the service settings screen shows this item as complete, indicated by this check. You can repeat these steps for any of the other services you want. When you have completed all your web service connections, press Finish. Back at the web service settings screen, you can see all your configured services. You can now select a service, and using this arrow, save this connection right onto your connected camera. When finished setting up your camcorder, return to the main menu and close the Camera Window application. You can now use these connections on your camera. Disconnect the camera from your PC. Go to your Wi-Fi screen. Here are the options to connect to your various configured web services. Let's try Facebook. Add an access point, and select your Wi-Fi network name, and if necessary, enter your Wi-Fi network password and press Next. Choose Auto, and the camera will prepare its network connection. From here, you can select an image to send to your Facebook page. When you are done, press the return icon and disconnect.
Here's another demonstration of how portable the little prompter is. I'm standing on a lawn at a college campus in Minnesota, standing on a beach in Florida, Arizona, to the middle of the desert to do a quick recording for you. Because the little prompter is so small and lightweight, you can take it nearly anywhere and use it with nearly any device. Here, I'm just using my laptop and built-in camera and microphone. I'm just using my laptop and a built-in camera and mic for you using just my laptop and the little prompter. So try your little prompter in a fun location and let me know where you've tried it. Little prompter. Simple tool, sensational delivery.